In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Klaviyo API keys. If you're looking to integrate Klaviyo with your applications, connect with third-party tools, or automate your marketing workflows, having your API keys is a critical first step. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the knowledge you need to access and securely store your Klaviyo API key in just a few minutes. Let's kick things off by heading to Klaviyo's website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you will see your profile icon or picture. Go ahead and click on it. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down, select the option labeled Account. This will lead you into the main hub where you can manage your account settings. Now look over to the left sidebar of your screen. This is where you'll find the various settings you can adjust. Within this sidebar, you want to seek out and click on Settings and then select API Keys. This is where all the magic happens. You are now in the section dedicated to managing your API access, a key aspect of ensuring seamless integrations and data sharing capabilities. With the API Keys section open, you'll notice a button labeled Create Private API Key. Clicking this button initiates the process of generating a new key for your use. You will then be prompted to provide a label for your API key. It's crucial to pick a label that clearly denotes the specific use case, so you'll know exactly what this key is for when you look back at it later on. Next up is deciding the level of access this API key should have. You have three options to choose from. The full access grants comprehensive control over your account's data and functionalities, so only use this if absolutely necessary. The read-only option is perfect if you simply need to view information without making changes. Lastly, custom access allows you to tailor specific permissions to suit your exact needs. Choose the option that aligns best with your intended usage. Once you've set the access level, Klaviyo will generate the API key for you. It's crucial at this juncture to copy the key immediately. Keep in mind, Klaviyo will not show this key again, so capturing it now is essential. Finally, it's important to store this key securely. Utilize password managers or secure notes to ensure it doesn't fall into the wrong hands. With your API key securely stored, you're now ready to use it to extend Klaviyo's capabilities within your digital ecosystem. And there you have it, you've successfully obtained and stored your Klaviyo API key, unlocking new possibilities for your business processes and communications.